Teach them that healthy foods boost moods. College students may get homesick and stress out over exams, roommates, tough professors, or even a new relationship. Hi, I'm Dr. Altman. Got teens heading off to college? Then know this. Most college students don't even eat one serving of fruits and vegetables a day, let alone the minimum 5 you and I wish they would. Here's how to encourage your student to eat right, even when they're on their own. Point out that a healthy diet is good for the planet. When college students took a course on how they could curb global warming by eating more locally grown fruits and vegetables and less meat processed and trucked-in foods, it worked. They changed their eating habits more dramatically than if they were just told it was nutritious. Teach them that healthy foods boost moods. College students may get homesick and stress out over exams, roommates, tough professors, or even a new relationship. Explain that many fruits and veggies increase levels of the feel-good hormone serotonin. Appeal to their vanity and remind them that healthy eating prevents weight gain. No one wants to put on the dreaded freshman 15. I'm Dr. Altman. For more ways to nourish your family's health, watch all our smart tips right here.